What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie Rodriguez, and today I'm excited to introduce to you my very own handmade hair care line. The name GripKnott. We're empowering every unruly strand. Now, with this line, we're making a simple and honest return to our roots. This is a tribute to our hair that's grippy and naughty, born from the pride and joy of our youth. No compromise, no noise, just real texture and the love that has shaped us from the very beginning. Every product in this line was crafted by hand with patience, intention, and top quality ingredients. My goal in creating this was simple. I wanted to nourish roots, strengthen weak spots, support hair growth, and give hair that long-lasting moisture and shine. Now I'm going to call out some of the key ingredients in both of these products and their benefits for the hair. Starting off with our Hibiscus Hydration Herbal Mist. First ingredient, hibiscus. It promotes healthy hair growth, reduces breakage and shedding, moisturizes and softens hair, soothes and balances the scalp, and enhances shine and curl definition. Next up, amla. It's packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, stimulating hair growth. It strengthens roots and strands, improves scalp health, enhances shine and smoothness, and supports natural color, which helps to slow premature graying. Next, aloe vera. It soothes the scalp, helps with moisture balance, reduces breakage and frizz, and balances scalp oils and pH. And last but not least, bringraj. It promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, improves scalp health, enhances shine and thickness, and supports natural hair color. The two essential oils I chose for this spray are lavender and lemongrass. Particularly, I chose these scents for scalp balance and also for relaxation. They balance each other out, leaving your hair smelling like a spa. Coming up next, we have our shampoo bar. We like to call it the Grapefruit Gleam. First ingredient, shikakai. Shikakai is a natural cleanser. It removes buildup without stripping your hair, strengthens roots and reduces breakage, promotes hair growth, and soothes the scalp. Next, Rita. It naturally cleanses hair and scalp, removes buildup without stripping, promotes healthy hair growth, adds softness and shine, and supports scalp health. And last, kaolin clay. It gently detoxifies the scalp, balances excess oil, soothes sensitive or irritated scalp, adds volume and body, and improves scalp health. The essential oils I chose for this shampoo bar are grapefruit, bergamot, and frankincense. It smells citrusy fresh with a hint of warm, luxurious undertones. Majority of the scents and the ingredients chosen for these products come straight from where I'm from, the sweet and sunny island of St. Martin. Most of these ingredients, honestly, I can pick them right out of my backyard. The scents, the oils, the plants, they're all connected to memories, to family, and to real moments from home. The scents that I chose for these products remind me of who I am and where I come from. They're a piece of home that I get to carry with me wherever I go. And now, really soon, I get to share that with all of you. I hope that when you smell these products, you feel the love in them the same way that I do. Here's how to get the best results using both products. For the hibiscus hydration spray, shake well before each use. Spray directly onto your roots and lengths. Massage lightly into the scalp and your hair for absorption, and use daily or every other day depending on your hair's needs. For the Grapefruit Gleam shampoo bar, wet your hair thoroughly. Rub the bar between your hands or directly onto your scalp. Work it into a rich lather, coating the lengths of your hair. Rinse thoroughly and follow up with an apple cider vinegar rinse. These formulas are built with simple ingredients that actually work. No heavy chemicals, no fillers, and no additives. Just herbs, oils, and botanicals blended all up into one formula that hydrates, repairs, and protects. Thank you for supporting this journey. Our products are here to help you rebuild the health of your hair. One wash, one spray, and one use at a time. If you're ready to nourish your roots and strengthen your hair naturally, then please subscribe and like the video if you haven't already for more updates on my hair, our journey, and all things GripKnott. For now, stay grippy, stay knotty, and